all is set at 200 psi, right? Completely charged, fully charged bottle of nitrogen, because this is a very long distance. Alright, everything in zeros, all set. What I do is, first on the liquid line, because that is the path. Okay, looks like I have some leaks. Alright, no more leaks, everything is set and open now. Okay, alright, zeros. Now let's do it. 1, 2, 3, let's do it. Okay, can you see that? Look how slow this thing is coming. It's in the lines. The problem is in the lines somewhere. The next step to follow is to go to the TXV to find out if the TXV is the problem. Look at that. I will try something different now. I will add the nitrogen from this side to see if it will help somehow to open the TXV, or if it is the TXV. $173, 72. Okay. It's still close. Look, if I close here, no, it should have stabilized already. And look how long is it taking. I have to open the TXV to check what's going on. See you later.